So I saw this post trending on Twitter by a pharmacist, and it's a picture of this traditional nail cutters, right?
Yeah, I saw it
So
too.
someone is getting their toenail trimmed, by a traditional nail cutter. And this is something that happens in Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay. So a lot of controversial comments
People
beneath the post.
posting
Yeah.
that if you love your life, you won't go for such.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
lot of things there.
And people
risks
bombarding him
involved,
saying
yeah.
you're spoiling someone's business and all that. And
Yes.
people also putting forth the fact that, these people don't have proper, and that's true, they don't have proper sterilization
Yes,
processes.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
I saw people talk about flames being used to light up the
The instruments,
instruments, the blades and scissors they use, them washing it with soap and water and all that. See, there are some standards when it comes to
Sterilizing,
sterilization,
yes.
okay? And the use of sharp tools.
Yes.
I don't know what they do when it comes to their cleaning processes, okay? I've not really seen one. And how they go about trimming the nails.
Well, I have.
Okay.
And based on how you see them sterilizing,
Yeah.
I've seen one using a lighter to
Okay.
sterilize the instrument.
Okay.
And when you come to the proper setting where instruments are sterilized,
Yes.
there's a time
Yes.
frame for the sterilization
And a specific
process.
temperature
There's a
used.
specific temperature
Right.
used. But these people, they just do a brief
Yeah.
heating of the instrument, and then they go straight to the point.
Yeah.
That is when it comes to cutting the
Yeah.
person's nail.
Yes.
It's a questionable practice.
It is.
That is what we can
It
say. here.
is.
It's a questionable practice.
So there are instances where I've had patients come to the hospital with complications, serious bacterial infections, because they had their nails trimmed by these people.
Yes.
Okay. This only means that it's not safe,
Yes.
right? It's not safe. Well, we've not done any proper research
research on
to
it.
find out if the data is going to
Yeah.
back what you're saying. But people have come with bad toenail infections, and diabetics shouldn't go
You
near.
shouldn't try it.
You shouldn't. Okay. Even on a normal day,
Yeah.
you can have something as little as a tiny puncture beneath your feet as a diabetic, and that could cause a serious infection. How much more getting your nails trimmed and accidentally being cut by this
Yeah.
sharp object? I mean, you can't guarantee your safety. You're nearing an amputation and all that.
There are risks involved.
Yes.
With what I observed,
Yeah.
was a brief sterilization process.
Okay.
According to whoever was.
Is it really sterilization even?
You see, it's
Yeah,
questionable.
Yeah.
He used it on one person.
Yeah.
And then moved on to the other
Yeah.
with that same process.
You see?
Brief process of sterilization, which you cannot really trust.
You can't.
It's really questionable.
Yeah.
So you just have to be careful out there.
I mean,
when you're going for
for
such.
shooting this video, I actually wanted to get a nail cutter. It's simple. I have one. I just want to get one and show it to us. A nail cutter is so simple. It's very affordable, isn't it?
And these people don't just cut the nails.
Yeah.
They also scrape the nails.
Okay.
They actually do a good job.
They do, right?
Yes, they do a good job. I've seen the end product of what they do.
Okay,
And it's
okay.
really nice.
All right.
You see, it's nice. It's cheap.
Yeah.
So it
Easily
makes sense-
accessible, right?
Easily accessible. It makes sense that people will easily go for that.
Yeah.
As compared to all these well-established
Yeah.
pedicure, manicure
Right.
places where you have to pay
Yeah.
money for.
But I mean, a nail cutter is affordable. You can get a nail cutter,
Well-
more hygienic,
Yes.
personal use. Use it
Personal
for
use.
yourself.
Yeah.
Probably don't share it with anyone, and then get your nails trimmed, right?
Because you might not know. You might not know who you're going in for
yeah.
in terms of these nail cutters.
Yeah.
The person maybe cutting your nail might not be the one that is keen on sterilizing the instrument.
Yeah.
Might
yeah.
just be the one that only washes with soap and
Right.
water.
Right.
And that is not a sterilization process.
Yes.
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 So
Probably
it
decontamination.
might rather cause maybe a transfer of infection.
Yeah.
And you might
And-
not know what you get from that.
Cool. And time again, we've seen how sharp objects keep transmitting
Yes.
lots of infections, especially the dangerous ones. Sharp objects
Yes.
are always transmitting. Yeah. So let's be guided.
Guided.
Let's be cautioned. Make the right decisions. Okay.